According to the United Nations, there are 54 countries in Africa as of right now. From the largest to the smallest populations as of 2023, below are the top 10. The first, Nigeria, located in the western section of Africa, has 223,804,632 inhabitants and more than 500 languages. Nigeria is renowned for its rich cultural diversity, vibrant festivals, vibrant show business, and delectable cuisines. Number 2, Ethiopia has 126,527,060 inhabitants and is located in Eastern Africa. Ethiopia is the oldest autonomous nation in Africa, having been established in 980 BC. Aside from Nigeria, it is also the second most populous nation in Africa. Additionally, Ethiopia is the sole uncolonized nation in Africa. Third placed Egypt, a population of 112,716,598 people, located in northern Africa. Egypt is well known for its magnificent historical structures, extensive culture and heritage, as well as its distinctive terrain. More than any other nation in the globe, it has a history that dates back to between the 6th and 4th millennia BCE. Number 4, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, home to 102,262,808 people and located in the middle of Africa, is blessed with outstanding natural resources, such as minerals like cobalt and copper, hydroelectric potential, major arable land, immense biodiversity, and the second largest rainforest in the world. Number 5, Tanzania has 67,438,106 inhabitants and is located in Eastern Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is arguably Tanzania's most famous landmark. It is Africa's tallest mountain. Here you can find almost every kind of ecological system. 6th ranked South Africa, 60,414,495 inhabitants, located in Southern Africa. South Africa is well known for its wine, scenic coastline, and safaris. Apartheid, its tumultuous past, and the renowned Nelson Mandela, the nation's first black president, all contribute to its notoriety. Kenya, home to 55,100,586 inhabitants, is ranked 7th in Africa. With 50 magnificent national parks and reserves that are home to a variety of species, including the Big Five, lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo. Kenya is renowned as the best safari destination in the world. Number 8 on the list is Uganda, which is in Eastern Africa and has 48,582,334 people. Uganda was previously referred to as the Pearl of Africa because it is home to some of Africa's most well-known and breathtaking natural attractions. The nation is the best location for individuals looking to see the most primates because it is home to the greatest number of mountain gorillas in the world. Number 9, Sudan has 48,109,006 citizens and is located in northern Africa. The 900-kilometer-long coastline of Sudan is well known. It is also well known for its gum arabic and for being close to the Red Sea and the confluence of the Nile River. Number 10, Algeria, with 45,606,480 inhabitants, is located in northern Africa. Algeria is renowned for its customary friendliness, its northern Mediterranean climate, and the Sahara, which makes up almost 90% of the nation.